Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria's Place, Tiffany Inspired Home Decor, where I show you how I decorate my home using all things Tiffany and Company. That's right, you heard it first. I will decorate my new home using all Tiffany Co items. So, are you ready for another surprise unboxing? Let's get into the video. Come on, I have the bag right here. Okay, let's see what's in it. Okay, so we're back. Let me put my glasses on so I can read the description and the details that I have for you today. And also, today is Tuesday. So we have our All Things Tiffany Co. Subscriber shout out goes to Alice Grace Daly. That's right, All Things Tiffany Co. Subscriber shout out goes to Alice Grace Daly. Thank you for being a loyal subscriber. Now let's get into this unboxing of my Tiffany Co. item, okay? So we have our Tiffany Blue bag, shopping bag right here. We'll put that over to the side. We have our beautiful, beautiful white satin ribbon, beautifully tied, beautiful box. And let's open it. Okay, let me bring you down so you can see. Bring you right back. I'm so excited. So let's open this up and see what we have. So excited. How is everyone doing today? I hope you're doing great. I'm doing great. So we take our ribbon off. And here we have our Tiffany Blue box. And it says Tiffany Co. Let's take the top off. We also have the tissue paper with the Tiffany Co. logo on it. Absolutely beautiful. And let's open it up together. So, there we have it. So, what we have here is called Assouline Windows at Tiffany Co. book. And the description and the details of this book reads as such. This special memoir edition of Windows at Tiffany Co. offers a glimpse of the history of the renowned Tiffany Co. Fifth Avenue flagship window displays. Isn't that wonderful? Beginning with founder Charles Lewis and the work of Jean Moore. Absolutely beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? So, take it out the box. Let's see. Just tissue paper under the bottom of the box. That's all that's there. Okay. So, let's move our box out the way. Here's our box. We'll place our box here. And here we have it. Absolutely beautiful. There you go. Get the ring light out of it. Absolutely beautiful. All right, so let's talk more about this book. I have my notes right here. Okay, so it's also a hardcover. It's in English language. It has 80 pages with over 50 images. A look at the Tiffany Windows from the 20th century to modern, an inventive display of today. I'll price the list of how much it is will be in the description bar. I will price it for you. There you go. Take the ring light out of it. And the size of this is 6.5 inches in width by 9 inches in length. Absolutely beautiful. So what we have here again It's in the home decor category. It's called Assouline Windows at Tiffany Co book. Absolutely beautiful. And let me give you today's Glennceria money affirmation is, let me show you the back of it. There you go. Right there. Okay. So today's money affirmation is, I feel marvelous as a rich person. So let's say that again. Today's money affirmation is, I feel marvelous as a rich person. Okay, so we have our first coffee table hardcover book that will go on our coffee table. Let me bring you up real quick. Thank you so much for stopping by for this quick video. We have our first coffee table hardcover conversational book that will be placed on my coffee table. Another addition to our home decor, Glennceria Place, Tiffany inspired home decor, all things Tiffany Co. I will decorate our house together. Remember, the money affirmation of today is, I feel marvelous as a rich person. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video. See you on Thursday. Remember to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and let me know, which always lets you know when I upload my videos, which are every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Have a good day, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.